Alright, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I'm back with the Autel Nano Plus, and today's going to be a short video. In my last video, I compared the Autel Nano Plus to the DJI Mini 2 and compared the low light capabilities. Now, I was able to capture some night footage using manual mode. However, in a few other videos I've seen out there by different creators, they mentioned that the manual mode is not available. Now, I can understand how they would think that, because if they're like me, when I get my new drone, I like to, hook it up, connect it, register it, and then start going through the app and looking through the menu and trying to test out all the settings and everything like that. But when you get to the pro settings, you quickly find out that it's not working properly. Now in pro mode, there's automatic, which is represented by the P. You got manual mode and then shutter priority. In automatic mode, you only have the ability to adjust the exposure, and the camera automatically adjusts the ISO and shutter speed accordingly. However, in manual mode, you should be able to adjust the ISO and the shutter speed independently of each other. But instead, when you adjust the ISO, it automatically changes the shutter speed. And if you try to change the shutter speed, it just automatically reverts back to what it was. And the same for shutter priority. If you try to adjust the shutter speed, it will not adjust. But there's a simple solution to this. You have to be airborne. Yes, you have to be airborne to adjust your parameters in pro mode, which really doesn't make any sense to me. I hope this is just a little bug that needs to be corrected, and I hope they didn't intend it to be this way, because I'd rather have the ability to adjust my parameters while the drone is on the ground, especially if I was using ND filters. ND filters aren't available yet for the Nano Plus. However, if I were to use ND filters, I prefer to make my adjustments while the drone is on the ground. I like to put the ND filter on the drone, then point it in the direction that I'm shooting, and make any changes if I need to. But the way it is now, I will have to put the filter on the drone, put it up in the air, make sure the adjustments are right. If they're not, I will have to bring it back down, take off the filter, put another filter on, put it up, bring it down, and you get the point. So hopefully Autel will fix that. Also, I found out there's no way to figure out your exposure value, unlike my DJI drones that have a MM down there on the corner that tells me what my exposure value is while I'm shooting in manual mode. In pro mode, there is a EV indicator. However, it doesn't work when you're in manual mode. This EV value here just stays constant and is basically used for automatic and shutter priority mode. So this is how I was able to dial in my settings on the Nano Plus versus Mini 2 video. I did it that way so both drones will have the same settings, so I can make a fair comparison. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know the next time I release a video. And if you haven't seen my Nano Plus versus DJI Mini 2 video, it'll be right here. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.